Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss practice questions and shortcuts on averages. In the previous session, we have taken averages basics. So we'll apply those basics and we'll try to solve few questions. And the focus will be more on applying shortcuts here. Let's see here. The first question. The average age of 15 students is 20 years. When the teacher's age is added, the average age increases by 2 years. Find the age of the teacher. Now, the traditional method is like this. There are 15 students. The average is 20 years. So the sum is going to be 15 into 20, 300. And the teachers is added. Now I have 16 people. The average increases by 2 means original average is 20. Now it is 22. So the sum means 16 into n into average will give you the sum. 16 into 22, it is 352. So 15 students sum is 300, 16 students sum is 352. The difference 52 is the age of the teacher. So my answer is 52. This is the traditional method. What is the shortcut? The shortcut is 15 students average is 20. Suppose if the teacher is also 20 years, let's assume for some time. So 16 people average would have remained same because there is no change here. However, the 16 people including teacher, now the average is 2 years more. Now 16 people average is increasing by 2 means the sum is increasing by 16 into 2, 32. Sum is increasing by 32. Why the sum is increasing by 32? That means the person who just added to the group, that is teacher, he has not just brought 20, he has brought 32 extra. That means the teacher has added 52 to the total means. In other words, the age of the teacher is 52, right? Okay, we'll take up one more example of the similar type. The average marks of a class of 40 students is 54. If the topper score is excluded, the average of the remaining is 53. What is the score of the topper? Now, 40 students average is 54. So the sum is 40 into 54, 2160. Now, when the topper score is excluded, I have 39 people. The average is 53 means what is the total? 39 into 53. You can see the 2-digit multiplication in one of the videos on speed maths. I have done the 2-digit multiplication. You can refer to that. 9 3 is 27. 3 3 is 9. 9 5 is 45. 54 plus 2, 56. 5 3 is 15 plus 5, 20. 2067. So now 40 people sum is 2160, 39 people sum is 2067 means the difference is 93. That is the score of the person who left. So what is the score of the topper means the difference 93 is our answer. This is the traditional manner. Now what is the shortcut? Similar to the previous one. 40 people average is 54. If the person, the topper who is removed from the group, if he has also scored 54. The average of the remaining 39 would have been 54. But the average of the remaining is 53 means that this average is 53 means it is coming down by 1. It's not 54, 53 means it has come down by 1. 39 people average has come down by 1 means the total has come down by 39 into 1, that is 39. Why the total has come down by 39 for the remaining people? That means the topper who has removed from the group has taken 39 excess out of the group. That's why for the remaining people, it is 39 less. So the person who is removed from the group has taken 39 excess. That's why for these remaining people, 39 shortfall is there. So the person who is removed from the group has not just taken 54 out of the group. He has taken 39 also extra means 54 plus 39, 93. That's it. So we can avoid doing these big multiplications, right? Now, for the next couple of questions, we'll only try to directly write the shortcut approach and try to discuss, right? So we can avoid these big multiplications. Let's see. The average age of 12 employees in an office is 35 years. When a 60-year-old employee retires and a new employee is appointed in his place, the average age becomes 32 years. Find the age of the new employee. Simple. 12 employees, original average is 35. After this elder person, 60-year-old person is retiring and new person is joined. Now we have the same 12 people are there. One person left and one person joined. So we have same 12 people. Now the average is 32 means you can see there is a shortfall of 3 in the average. If the average is falling by 3 means the total will fall 12 into 3, 36. The total is falling by 36 means the person who joined is 36 less than the person who left. The person who left or retired is 60 years. So the new person is 36 less than the person. 60 minus 36, 24. So the age of the new person is 24 years. We can avoid multiplying 12 into 35, 12 into 32, subtracting the 60, then adding some x. This is going to take a lot of time. We can avoid all that, right? So 24. Let's see one more question. Yeah, the average marks of a class of 15 students is 72. 15 students, average is 72. When two students scores are erroneously taken as 47 and 68 instead of 74 and 86. By mistake, the scores of two students is taken as 47 and 68. These are the mistake. These are the erroneous scores. The right scores are 74 and 86. So what will be if I correct that mistake, what will happen to the total? See, the total of these two people is 115. The total of these two people is 160. So when you correct this mistake, the total score will increase by 45 marks. Total score will increase by 45 marks for how many students? 15 students. 15 students total is increasing by 45 means the average will increase by how much means 45 by 15. It will increase by 3. That means the original average is 72 is not right. The correct average is going to be 75. The answer is 75. See, again we are avoiding big multiplications. Done. Let's take the last one. This is a gem of a question. The average age of a group of 38 persons is 48 years. This is the average. Now, 4 persons whose average is 52 years, they left the group. Now, how many people we have? 34 people. And 6 persons whose average is 54 years joined the group. Now I have 40 people. He is asking what is the average age of the group now. Now, if you are going by traditional manner, finding the sum, see, you have to multiply 38 into 48, these two, and find the total, which will take some time. Then 4 into 52, which will take some time. And 4 people left means you have to subtract this number. You get the final value here. Then you have to 6 people with 54 are joining the group means you have to add this total. 6 into 54 you have to multiply and add. You get now the total of 40 people. 40 people total when we get, what is the average means? This total by 40. Don't you think that all these multiplications will take a lot of time? Now you can try that and see how much time you'll spend. You can pause this video and try this. And now you can, after this, you can watch this shortcut. Now 38 people, average is 48. Suppose the 4 people who left, had they left with 48 only, let's say, the remaining 34 people average would have remained 48 because there is no change here. Had it been, now 6 people who joined, if they have joined with 48 only, the remaining 40 people, the total now 40 people, average would have remained 48. But that's not the situation here. These 4 people left with 52 means each person is taking 4 excess. How much excess they are taking? 4 excess is going out. 4 into 4, 16 excess has gone out of the group means, as I said in the second question here before, 16 excess is going means they are taking excess out means for the remaining people it is loss. So we'll say minus 16. These 6 people, they are not joining with 48, they are joining with 54. See, each person is bringing 6 excess. 6 into 6, 36 excess has come in. See, here also it's 16 excess, here also 36 excess. But only thing is 16 excess is going out. That's why I'm saying minus 36. This 36 excess is, they're joining the group, it is coming in. So we should add. So what is the net change to the total means? It will be 36 minus 16, 20. 20 is the net increase in the total for 40 people. So what is the increase in the average means? The net change 20 by 40 people. 20 by 40 is 1 by 2.5. The average will increase by 0.5 means what is the average of the group now means 48.5. Like this, we can answer the questions by applying some shortcuts. I suggest you try this and see how much time you have taken. You can put the clock or stopwatch and see how much time you are taking, right? So these are few examples. In the next video, we will take up a few more examples. Thank you.